Welcome to the course welcome video for UMUC. My name is Arthur. I teach a few courses here at UMUC, and so this is more of an intro to all of my courses. First of all, I wanted to bring up my background. My background is networking and security. Currently, I hold my CCNP route and switch. I currently hold a CCDP for design. I hold, I think, current active 7 CCNAs. I'm finishing up my written exam for my CCIE. I have numerous server virtualization, Linux certs as well, and I have numerous cybersecurity certs as well. So, most of my classes should be focusing on networking and security. So, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out. Also, I wanted to point out the fact that in the announcements, I've posted my email address and my phone number. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to me via my phone. That's going to be the quickest and easiest way. A few caveats to my phone access is 1. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, meaning I am Pacific Standard Time. So if you are on the East Coast and it's 8 a.m. your time, I'm 3 hours behind you. So keep that in mind. Do not call me at 5 a.m. PST. I've had students do that, that's why I bring that up. 2, if I don't answer, leave a voicemail. Explain who you are, explain what college and course you are in. If you want, you can also feel free to text me. I do a lot of texting and a lot of calling with students on a weekly basis. It's a lot easier if you have a question to just reach out. Texting is going to be the easiest and fastest route to get a hold of me. Alright, moving forward, course expectations. At this level of work, I'm assuming that we are all adults, so make sure to do things like APA formatting. I'm looking at 12-point font. I'm looking at Times New Roman. I'm looking at a structured or basic language skills. Spell check. I would prefer everything to include a citation with support from the literature. You can include the chapter readings as that support. First week outlines what I would do for most students. You should double check the requirements of the course. Make sure you understand the due dates. Make sure you understand how to get a hold of me if you need help. You failing should not occur if you're reaching out when you need help. However, you failing because you did not reach out, that's not on me. I give you all the resources that you need, so if you need help, say something. Discussions. Most courses are going to have a discussion component. I'm looking for a main post with a citation, and typically 2 to 4 peer responses is required. Double check grading rubrics when you're looking at the discussions. Labs. Almost every course that I do should be heavy lab based. Answer the questions. Include support from the reading in your responses. Answer all of the components of the question. So that means read through them and answer them appropriately. Lastly, summaries do help. So if you do a lab, if you write a quick 4 or 5 sentence paragraph, that helps a lot to make sure that I understand that you have mastered that material. So if you're borderline A, B, B, C, and I remember that you've done a lot of summaries, that normally allows me to go, hey, this student normally is doing good on their work. I don't mind skewing the grade a little higher so that you can get the next level, assuming that all of your work is good quality. Lastly, understand policies. This is extremely important. All of the courses that I teach, I require everyone to include citations. You need to get into the habit of supporting your responses with support from the literature. Next, course surveys, you need to do them. I do a lot of Cisco courses, and the course survey actually allows me to complete the course. Without the course surveying, it makes it really difficult on my end to finalize the course. Lastly, the school has a few policies. Understand the classroom civility policy, understand academic policies and procedures, understand that when we are doing papers, everything is running through turnitin.com. Lastly, if I catch you cheating, 0. Flat out 0. I understand that most of the courses that I teach are going to be Cisco courses, and I understand a lot of that material is already on the internet, but if I catch you cheating, it's a straight 0. And I will push for you to be withdrawn from the course. I don't normally mess around when it comes to academic integrity. So again, 0 tolerance for any type of cheating. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in this class.